Hello, my name is Damon Salmos, and I'm recording this video as a project for my multimedia writing class. And I'm recording this video to present the affordances of a program called VLC Media Player. These days, Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime have pioneered a culture and software system where you can watch videos across a whole slew of devices. Computers, laptops, cell phones, tablets, and it doesn't much care about presenting file format. That's all done behind the scenes. You don't have to worry about that. Back in the day, you had to worry about file format. Cable, likewise, is kind of becoming a thing in the past. Me and my household, we haven't had cable in 5 years. The computer has truly become the center of home entertainment. And that's a good thing. Back before all of this really easy-to-use multimedia software, you had to download your video files and you had to play them. Have you ever downloaded a file, double-click to play it, your media player opens, and it's a black screen but you can hear the audio? That's because you didn't have the proper codec for that file installed on your computer. Codecs are software. Codec stands for coding decoding, and it tells your media player how to decode that video file to play it for you. They used to be very proprietary to file type, and it could truly be a pain in the ass if you're downloading files and you can't play them. VLC changed all that. VLC is a media player program. This is it right here. VLC built in all the codexes right into its software, so it's a simple double-click proposition to play any media file, and it really does play any media file. It'll play anything from MP3s to any type of video, whether it's AVI, MKV, MP4. On the audio side, it'll do MP3s, waves, MIDI files. It'll even do picture slideshows for you. It is a truly one-click solution for any kind of multimedia entertainment that you need. And that's its true affordance, is instant gratification, ease of use, a one software solution. It's very easy to use. All you do is double-click its icon and it opens. This is its multimedia library function. Very cool function. If you load your video library into this list, it's as easy as dragging and dropping. It now can play that from this file at any point. This comes in extremely handy if you've downloaded the companion app for your cell phone, which turns your cell phone into a remote control for the program. Then you can just go into your multimedia library from your cell phone, press to click on a file, and it'll come up on your computer and play it. Very cool functionality. As I said before, it opens any media file, audio, video, pictures, and it does all this free of charge. The program is free. You can download it as many times as you want on as many computers as you want. It is open source. It is wonderful. It started as a school project for a couple of kids and exploded into this wonderful thing that really set the trend for the internet. Two of its coolest functions are the track synchronization tool, which you just click on the tools. It'll drop down a menu to track synchronization. And if you've downloaded a bad file and the audio is not quite lined up with the video, you can speed up the audio or slow down the audio in track synchronization to let it line up. Makes the videos a lot more viewable, and it helps if you've gotten a bad video. The other function that I like a lot is subtitles. Some of these files will come with subtitle files, and then this will be able to read those too. So you'll have subtitles with your movie. To download this program, open up your browser and simply go to www.videolan.org. You can download it right there. It is free. They do accept donations, though, for furthering the program. I myself have donated to it. It's a wonderful program. I use it every day. Once you've downloaded it, you just click on the install file. It'll walk you through the process. It's super easy. The one part of the process that I do recommend that you take special care to is it'll ask what video or multimedia files that you want to associate with this program. Click all the boxes. When you click all the boxes, VLC Media Player becomes your one-stop solution for every media file. Then you'll never even have to open the program again. Just every time you click on a file, it'll automatically open the program and start playing that file. Once you set that up correctly, using it becomes very easy. You just find the video file that you want to click on and open, double click it, and it opens. It has full screen modes, which you can double click on the video to enter, double click to exit full screen mode, and there you are. VLC is a little known program, but it did set the standards that we use today. The whole idea of Netflix being able to be played on every device, across platforms, started on your laptop, finish watching the show on your cell phone as you're walking away. That was all started by VLC. It was their idea, and they came up with it way back in 1996, before the computer was really the center of home entertainment. The idea of being able to watch TV on your computer was pioneered by VLC, and Netflix kind of ran with it. True, Netflix kind of perfected it, but those ideas started in VLC, and that idea of universal usage can't be stressed enough as the ultimate affordance when it comes to PCs. That idea made your computer the center of your home entertainment. My name is Damon Solonos, and this was an appreciation for the affordances of VLC Media Player, done as a project for writing across multimedia. Thank you very much.